You've been there. She's mad, she's yelling about something small, a dish you didn't wash, a text you didn't answer fast enough. Your gut reaction is to fight back, to yell louder, to prove you are right. But every time you do that, you lose. You lose your cool, you lose your power, and you give her exactly what she wants, your emotional energy. Today, we are going to expose the most powerful weapon a man has in any fight with a woman. It's not your voice, it's not your logic, it is absolute, stone-cold silence. We are going to show you how to use silence to stop her chaos dead in its tracks and instantly force her to chase your frame, not control it. When she is yelling, she is trying to pull you into her emotional chaos. The moment you argue back, you lose. The only way to stop her is to use the strongest, most powerful weapon you own: absolute silence. Men, this channel is becoming a brotherhood. I set a goal to unite 3,000 real men before this month ends. If you're rocking with the truth and you want more men to wake up, hit subscribe, like this video, and turn on your notification. Make your support and voice count in the comment section. The first hard truth is simple. Her chaos needs your reaction to live. Think of her emotional outburst like a fire, and your words, your arguments, your begging, that's the gasoline. When she is angry, when she is crying, when she is trying to start a fight, she is not looking for a solution. She is looking for a reaction. She wants to see that she has the power to pull your emotions out of you and make you lose control. When you argue back, you are giving her that power. You are showing her that her mood can control your peace. And when she controls your peace, she loses all respect for you. Let's talk about the loser in this story. Let's call him Steve. Steve's wife Lisa was always starting little fights. Steve loved Lisa. He thought if he could just explain his side, if he could just get her to understand, they would be okay. So when Lisa yelled, Steve yelled back. He would spend hours arguing about who was right, trying to win the fight. What was Lisa thinking? She was thinking, I own him. I can push him and he will jump. He will waste his whole night trying to win my approval. Steve lost because he showed her that her chaos had more power than his calm. He valued her emotional agreement more than his own peace. He taught her that the way to get his attention was to fight him. He became emotionally weak, and Lisa's desire for him died in those arguments. Silence is the ultimate power move because it signals frame. Frame means your inner world, your inner power is not controlled by anyone else, especially not by her. When she yells and you remain calm, focused on your own purpose, you are telling her without saying a word that her noise is irrelevant to your mission. You are telling her that she cannot break you. This is the key. Silence is not sulking. Silence is sovereignty. You are not being a baby who pouts. You are being a king who refuses to come down from his throne to fight with a beggar. You are choosing your peace over her drama. If you are seeing the truth of this for the first time, I want you to make a commitment right now to choose your own peace. Don't let this be a theory you forget tomorrow. This knowledge will save your life. Hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and turn on your notification now. We are a brotherhood of men who prioritize our own frame above all else. This leads us to the Mick story. Let's talk about Alex. Alex's girlfriend Maria started trying to control his schedule. When he said he was going out with his friends, she would get moody and try to guilt him into staying. Alex used to argue, saying, I earned this, but he was always defending himself. One day, Alex tried silence. When Maria started giving him the guilt trip and the heavy sigh, Alex simply looked at her, said, I love you and I'm going, and walked out the door. No argument, no explanation, no defense. She was furious. She tried texting him during the night. He didn't answer until the morning, and his reply was simple. I had a good time. We can talk about dinner plans later. She was shocked. She expected a fight so she could win and force him to come home. When she got silence, she got nothing. She had no power. She didn't like it at first, but she immediately started respecting him more. Alex won a mixed victory because he didn't run away, but he refused to engage in her chaos. He used silence to enforce a boundary
and he forced her to realize that she was dealing with a man who had an independent life. Now for the last story. This is the winner. This is the final use of silence. Let's talk about Jason. Jason caught his wife Chloe disrespecting him publicly at a party, making jokes at his expense to her friends. Jason didn't say anything at the party. He smiled, ignored her, and talked to other people. He gave her no reaction. But when they got home, Jason didn't start a fight. He didn't pack his bags in a hurry. He simply stopped talking to her completely about anything that wasn't basic logistics. She tried to get his attention by being nice. Silence. She tried to get his attention by being angry. Silence. He used silence as a wall of consequence. Chloe panicked. She was used to fighting. She was not used to being completely ignored. She realized that Jason wasn't mad. He was done. His silence told her, "You are no longer worth my emotional energy." She knew in that silence that she had lost him. She had destroyed his respect, and he was taking himself off the market. Jason won because his silence was the final, unanswerable sentence. He didn't need to yell to show he was angry. He showed his anger by removing his presence. He proved that his frame was unshakable and that his love was not unconditional. The less you say, the louder your actions speak, and the more powerful you become. When you are silent, you are forcing her to ask herself, "Is he leaving me? What is he thinking? How do I get him back?" Silence shifts the burden of proof and the pressure from you to her. The only way to win against a woman's emotional chaos is to refuse to play her game. You cannot negotiate your peace. You must defend it with the final, powerful barrier of silence. Your attention is your most valuable resource. Stop giving it away for free to every little drama she creates. So, here is the smart question I want you to answer in the comments below. If silence is your most powerful weapon, what is the biggest risk a man takes by refusing to fight back when his wife is yelling at him? I want to hear your raw opinion. Drop your answer in the comment section. Do you think silence always works, or can it backfire? Your honest thoughts help every man here. And if this video gave you the key to reclaiming your power, do the right thing. Subscribe, hit the like button, and help us unite this brotherhood.